Sorry, I don't want to hide anything from you. We're in this together.
Ethical conundrum. But remember, you are defending his right to be a free citizen, not his right to kill. Enough theorizing. Let's look at a case that gets us to start thinking practically. Sarah, why don't you tell us about California versus Chris Albanese?
Okay. In the Albanese brothers case, the judge, our own Professor Nolan, ruled against Chris Albanese, who's now serving a life sentence for the brutal murder of his brother. The defense pled temporary insanity, but the jury and Judge Nolan found Chris guilty because there was evidence that he had been planning the murder for years. I think the defense missed a serious opportunity here. Yes, it was premeditated, but it was committed in self-defense, and that would have given him a very different sentence.
Thank you, Sarah.
여기 로스쿨에서 장학금까지 받으며 열심히 공부하고 거기에 친절하고 상냥한 성격을 가지고 있어서 인기까지 많은 여대생 세라의 모습을 보여주며 오늘은 정말 오랜만에 미국 영화를 하나 가져왔습니다. 역시 영화는 헐리우드죠. 기대하면서 오늘의 영화 시작합니다.
I don't care how many jobs you have, Sarah. I expect this one to be a priority.
착한 세라는 거기에 밤에는 알바까지 하고 있었습니다.
One more, Tim?
I'm good, Sarah. Got a lot of studying to do tonight. So when am I going to be able to buy you a drink?
You know I can't drink on the job.
Well, how about after the job?
There never seems to be an after.
그런데 이 바에 같은 학교에 다니고 있는 한 여자가 들어오는데 그녀가 앉자마자 남자가
Hey, wanna get naked?
All right, you know what? Sober up. Go to the library.
와 역시 미국인가 이거 앉자마자 그냥 바로 할 거냐고 그걸 물어보시네.
Thanks for getting rid of that douchebag.
It's one of my favorite parts of the job. What are you drinking? It's on the house.
Jack and Coke. Thanks.
뭔가 묘한 분위기의 여자.
I'm Alex, by the way.
I'm Sarah.
3 Jack and Cokes. Alex Layton. Brooke Potter. You and I met at the Reynolds party in Brentwood.
Did we? I really don't remember.
18.
Yep.
Well, it was really nice to see you again.
그런데 브룩 포터라고 자신을 소개한 역시 세라와 동문인 여자는 세라가 자신이 준 돈을 팁에 넣는 것을 보곤 사장과 뭔가 이야기를 하는데
Sarah, I'm going to need you to come in here to review these register receipts with me.
사장에게 세라가 돈을 모두 팁에 넣었다고 고자질을 한 것이었습니다. 알바가 끝나고 그 여자 알렉스가 세라를 기다리고 있었습니다.
Hey, lady. The lady is off work. Need a ride somewhere?
I live in Carmine. It's not that far.
Oh, undergrad housing, huh? That must be fun.
Yeah, if you're into gross, retarded frat boys.
Who said that I'm into boys? Come have a drink with me.
Are you sure you should be driving right now?
Probably not.
Why don't I drive you home?
그렇게 알렉스를 데려다 주는데 집이
This is a nice house.
Why are you so stressed out?
That stupid girl from the bar. She just got me fired.
Well, fuck her.
I think it's because her boyfriend, I don't know, maybe he has a crush on me or something.
Well, who wouldn't? Who is the guy?
Eric Nolan?
First and last name, huh? Guess you like him.
I don't know. I mean, we haven't done anything. It's just that Brooke is a psycho.
그리곤 알렉스는 세라의 기분을 풀어준다며 자신의 드레스까지 빌려주고 파티에 데려갑니다.
Appetizing, isn't it? Oh, Nina, the artist. I didn't see you there. What a wonderful surprise.
Alex, why do you insist on embarrassing yourself in public?
Wow. That dress, it really screams, fuck me.
This is my opening and my night. Please don't make it about you.
What was that all about?
It's boring. Yeah, she's my stepmother, and yes, she's only 5 years older than us.
How did you meet your dad?
Oh, that's the kicker. Through me, we used to date.
사귀던 여자요?
When I was interning at Vogue, Nina was a photographer's assistant. And I invited her up to my dad's place for the weekend. The only thing she packed was a teeny tiny little black bathing suit. He took one look at her, and they were engaged a few months later. Hey, kitty cats! Hi! Sarah, is this the guy you were telling me about? You've got great taste.
Not great with compliments, but thanks.
I didn't know you were bartending the opening too, Sarah.
I'm actually not bartending anymore.
Well, it's been delightful. But we gotta go get a drink.
완벽하게 복수당해버린 여자.
I know Sarah's really pretty, but you don't have to flirt with her right in front of me.
Give me a break, Brooke. We're just friends.
Yeah. Friends who've wanted to fuck each other for like 3 years.
Are you serious?
Don't talk to me.
한편 그새 알렉스는 취해버렸습니다. 그리고 그때 에릭이 두 사람을 찾아오는데
Need some help with that?
Don't you have to look after your girlfriend?
She left. Come on, let's get her up. Let's go. She do this a lot?
No, I just kind of met her.
I'm up! I just need a little disco nap. I want a party!
You got her?
Do you guys want a party?
Yeah, let's.
그렇게 집으로 돌아온 세 사람은 세 사람만의 파티를 즐기는데 그때 알렉스가 갑자기
Eric, you're hot.
세라에게 춤을 추자고 하더니
Figures of courage.
갑자기 키스를 퍼붓는 알렉스. 부담스러운 세라.
Oh, come on, I'm just playing. Hey, let's go in the pool. I want to go swimming. I'll keep all the lights out just for you guys.
그렇게 세 사람은 수영이 아니네 이거는. 잠깐만, 이거 뭐지 이거? 이 자연스러움은 뭐야? 점점 가까워지는 세라와 에릭. 그런데 알렉스는 이걸 그냥 두고 보지 않습니다.
It's getting chilly in here.
Maybe you should go home to your girlfriend.
Yeah, maybe I should.
다음 날이 되고 이곳에 남아있는 사람은 두 사람, 세라와 알렉스였습니다.
Morning.
You could just pour the coffee all over me.
It's actually not coffee. It's a hangover cure that I made.
I didn't realize that I was sleeping next to a hippie girl.
그때 세라의
Yeah.
전화기가 울리고
Sure, I can come in. It's Professor Nolan. I have to go in. So I guess I should get going.
Hooking up with a lot of straight girls recently, so I know the drill.
I had a lot of fun last night.
It was a one-time thing.
이렇게 그저 친구로만 지내기로 한 두 사람. 한편 세라는
Unfortunately, policies at the university dictate that your fellowship be revoked.
But it's one person's word against mine. I didn't steal anything.
Brooke Potter's aunt heads that committee.
Brooke Potter?
Stealing is a California felony, which at this university is an automatic revocation. Now, it could have been worse. I fought hard against your expulsion.
I'm never gonna make it without that scholarship money.
Listen, you just stay here through this term.
어제 남친인 에릭을 빼앗긴 브룩은 자신의 권력을 이용해서 세라를 모함하고 그녀의 장학금마저 취소시켜버립니다. 거기에 기숙사까지 내보내는데 그때 알렉스의 연락이 오고 학교에서 우연히 브룩을 본 세라는 참을 수 없는 분노를 느낍니다.
Hey, Brooke!
You know what this is?
No. Please, get out of my face.
Well, I'll be out of your face soon enough. I just lost my housing thanks to you.
I'm sorry, but I have no idea what you're talking about.
First you get me fired, then you get your aunt to revoke my scholarship, and now I don't have a place to live. I think you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Maybe you should have thought about that before you did all those things you did.
I will tear you down before I let you get in my way. You better watch your back, you fucking bitch.
That looked like fun.
Yeah, I think I scared her a little.
I'm gonna smoke you out and take you for a joyride.
학교 기숙사에서 쫓겨나게 된 세라는 답답한 마음에 알렉스와 드라이브를 하면서 점점 더 그녀와 가까워지게 됩니다.
We're modern day Bonnie and Reed.
Who?
Anne Bonny and Mary Read. Two of the most famous lady pirates of the 17th century. My thesis subject.
Never heard of him.
Well, when the British finally caught up with them, the judge asked if they had any last words. What they said?
What did they say?
They said that they were pregnant, and it was illegal to kill pregnant ladies back then, so...
You're some crafty pirates.
Yeah.
세라에 대한 알렉스의 마음은 진심이었습니다.
I want to show you where I grew up.
Wow, nice Mustang.
Yeah, it's David, my stepdad's car. My stepdad's building some mega mansion in Malibu, so he hasn't really been keeping it up.
If I lived here, I think I'd be in the pool every day.
Believe me, I was. My mom died here.
Pool?
I found her.
알렉스는 자신의 가장 고통스러웠던 기억, 극단적인 선택을 한 친엄마를 자신이 발견한 이야기를 해주고
She looked beautiful. Her hair was all fanned out like a mermaid. I feel closest to her when I'm in the water. So, what about your mom? You said your aunt raised you.
My dad left when I was young, and my mom died around the same time.
How'd she die?
No one knows, actually.
All right, come on. Let's go have some fun.
두 사람은 이렇게 서로 힘들었던 과거를 나누면서 또 즐겁게 놀면서 다시 한번 가까워집니다. 그리고 알렉스는 또다시 세라를 유혹하는데
We have neighbors. Hello? Don't play music at night. Didn't I tell you that if you're going to show up here, you can call first?
It's really not a good weekend, Alex. You've been in college for 6 years. Perhaps there's some studying you should be
All
doing.
right, I've got it.
Why do you have to be such a bitch all the time, Nina?
I'm a bitch? You're a spoiled little brat. You don't deserve half of what David gives you.
Everything David has, he has because of my mother. This is my mother's fucking house.
You love to play the victim, don't you?
Well, nice to meet you now, Sarah.
새아빠와 새엄마 알렉스에게는 큰 아픔이었습니다.
You don't understand. David's the only family that I have. We got so close after my mom died. We saved each other, you know? I always considered him more a dad than a stepdad. Then Nina moved in and all that's gone. Right when she moved in, she took down every last picture of my mother. It was all I had left of her. Fuck her. Fuck everybody.
Can everyone please include Brooke?
And she has the man you want. Yeah, she is one tenacious little parasite. You have to kill parasites before they suck you dry.
Yeah, seriously.
They'd probably both be happy to be put out of their misery.
Don't you wish that killing could just be legal?
The lady pirates did it.
We could have done it 300 years ago.
So how about this? You can't kill Brooke and I can't kill Nina because we get caught, obviously. But if we swap murders, then no one would ever guess.
이야기가 점점 더 심각해지고
I think he smoked a little too much tonight.
You like my idea, don't you?
Yeah, of course. I like all your ideas.
아픔이 있으니 분풀이라고 가볍게 생각하고 알렉스를 위로하고 잠을 드는 세라. 다음날 짐을 빼기 위해 학교 기숙사로 간 세라는 우연히 에릭을 만나게 되는데
Hey! Fancy meeting you here. Where are you headed?
Alex is picking me up. She's letting me stay with her, thank God.
Look, I'm really sorry about what Brooke did. She just came by to see if you're okay, if you need anything.
Are you sure Brooke would be okay with that? Assuming she knows about the other night?
Well, she probably wouldn't be if she was still my girlfriend, but we broke up.
You guys broke up? Because of me?
There were a lot of factors.
그때 알렉스가 세라를 데리러 오다가 두 사람의 모습을 보게 됩니다.
Am I interrupting something? Come on, let's go. My car's in the red.
See you later.
Yeah.
So I guess you like boys now, huh? Looks like he's all yours.
Poor Brooke. It isn't easy being the one that's left out.
I'm not leaving you out, Alex. I'm moving in with you.
I'm not talking about me, Sarah. Watch your back around that chick. If she catches you with Eric, you'll see a real fucking psycho come out.
틀린 말이 아니었습니다. 지금까지 한 집만 보면 앞으로 어떤 보복을 할지 모르는 브룩.
Okay, I'm coming. Just save me a seat. I want to swim just a little bit longer.
그렇게 혼자 남아서 수영을 하던 브룩. 그런데 이곳에 누군가 들어옵니다. 그리곤 브룩을 죽인 사람은 바로 알렉스였습니다. 그녀의 말은 장난이 아니었는데
Sarah, wake up. Come talk to me. I've got great news. Hey, what's going on?
I have a present for you. You look surprised. But don't worry. No one saw a thing. Easier than I thought it'd be, actually.
Oh my God.
Well, don't play innocent. We planned this together. Did you forget? Where are you going, Sarah?
Going to call the police? That's where I'm going.
You can't do that. You'd be arrested for murder.
Me?
Why would I kill Brooke Potter, huh? A woman that I've met twice and I have no relationship with. You're the one who benefits, Sarah. Didn't you have a very public fight with Brooke recently? Your thumbprint is on her necklace. But listen, I can tell you when Nina's gonna be at the house alone. I have a plan.
You can't make me do that. I'm not doing that.
But you have to. Have you seen your boots recently? Because the police might be calling and asking about some muddy footprints.
알렉스의 말은 진심이었습니다. 그런데 틀린 말이 아니었습니다. 브룩에 대한 살인 동기가 충분하고 거기에 세라의 지문이 묻은 브룩의 목걸이까지. 지금 경찰에 신고할 수 있는 사람은 오히려 알렉스였습니다. 그리고 알렉스의 말대로 아침이 되자
I'm Detective Ross. I'm investigating a murder that happened last night.
Come on in.
Thank you. Do you have any idea why somebody would want to kill Brooke Potter?
No, not really.
I spoke to Brooke's friend Paula earlier, and she claims that you were interested in Brooke's boyfriend, Eric Nolan. Look, Sarah, I'm not out to get you here. I just think you need to know what's being said. Paula says you publicly threatened Brooke a few days before she was killed. Now, if that was true, you need to go ahead and talk to me about it now.
Yeah, we had an argument, but I mean,
역시 알렉스의 말대로 돌아가게 되는 상황.
am I a suspect?
Where were you last night around 9:30?
I was here, in bed.
We both were. I'm Alex, her roommate. I got here at 7. And Sarah had made dinner for me. It was so cute. There were candles everywhere. And we stayed up talking for a couple more hours, and then I convinced her to go to bed.
Spoke to Sarah alone, please.
Sure.
알렉스는 마지막 순간까지 그냥 가지 않습니다. 브룩에 안경을 쓰며 가는데
I think you know that I'm not a bullshit type of woman. There's nobody here but you and me. You got something else to tell me?
I was here. I don't know what else you're looking for.
If you think of anything else, you give me a call, okay?
You're crazy. I'm moving out.
I do everything for you, you know. I'm just waiting for you to do something for me.
며칠 뒤 브룩의 장례식이 열리고
A friend was a friend for life. I was grateful to get to know her well. That Brooke would have made an excellent attorney. Losing her is not only a personal tragedy, but a loss to the entire legal community.
It's not your fault.
That was exhausting. Like anyone really cared about that whiny little nobody.
You're a monster.
완전한 사이코패스. 그런데 알렉스는 여기서 멈추지 않습니다.
Are you out of your mind?
I'll give you a couple days, and then we'll plan the next one.
문제는 살인자는 알렉스인데 세라가 그녀를 거스를 수 없다는 것. 세라는 점점 두려워졌습니다. 갈 곳도 기댈 곳도 없는 세라가 찾아간 곳은
You okay?
I need to talk to you. I don't expect anybody to believe me. It's too fucking crazy.
No, what's fucking crazy is you not going to the police. If you didn't do anything, there's no problem. I mean, I'll go with you. We can get help together.
You don't get it.
Don't get what? Let the system do what it does. You know this better than anyone.
Now, what I know better than anyone is that the system doesn't serve people. It serves people with power.
힘 있는 자들을 위한 기관일 뿐 에릭은 반박할 수 없었습니다. 한편 알렉스는 계속해서 세라에게 전화를 걸지만
This is Sarah. Leave a message.
그리고 모든 이야기를 들은 에릭은 뭔가가 이상하다는 것을 느끼고
Started reading about Alex's family. Take a look at this. David Layton, single, sexy, and rich beyond your wildest dreams.
This must have been before you married Nina.
I mean, look what I found about Alex's mom. Sophie Layton dies in tragic accident. Grieving daughter suffers breakdown.
But
Yeah, well, there's more. Investigation into questionable circumstances revolving around Sophie Layton's death. There's a swimming pool, possible pills, and alcohol in her system. No witnesses.
Sophie Layton said to be worth $50 million. Money's transferred to her husband of 3 years, David Layton. So maybe David killed Alex's mom for the money? God, if that was true and I was Alex, then I wouldn't be hating Nina, I'd be hating David.
Why would she want you to kill Nina? That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know.
그때 알렉스로부터 연락이 오는데
Fucking.
그게 끝이 아니었습니다. 역시 세라에게도 연락을 하는 알렉스.
I have an idea. I think it'll work.
Okay.
계속 도망만 다닐 수 없었습니다. 결국 세라는 직접 알렉스를 찾아가는데
I'm sorry I didn't call.
I didn't peg Eric for the type of guy to fuck a new girl the same day as old girls thrown in the dirt.
It's not like that.
I need you. But clearly you don't need me since you've got him now. So I guess I just have to do this alone.
Eric and I aren't together. I was just so confused. Just been so scared to go there with you. I'm so happy that Brooke is gone and that you did that for me. Now it's my turn.
I'm so happy we get to do this together. Nina will be alone at the house. It's open. Here's a gun.
Just keep this thing lying around.
I stole it from Nina that day. Here's what you do.
그렇게 세라는 알렉스의 작전을 듣고 바로 니나가 있는 집으로 향합니다.
Detective Ross.
집엔 문도 열려 있고 아무도 없었습니다. 뭔가 이상한 세라. 일단 니나가 있을 거라고 예상되는 그녀의 서재로 가는데
Hello? Hello? Hello?
그런데 서재에서 죽어있는 사람은 데이비드였습니다.
Freeze! Put your hands above your head, Sarah.
I just walked in.
Stop talking and put your hands above your head.
I swear to God I didn't do this. No! No, you have to believe me. I didn't.
Let's go, Sarah.
No,
Let's go.
결국 세라는 데이비드를 살해한 죄로 현행범으로 체포되는데 뭐가 대체 어떻게 된 걸까? 그런데 이 장면을 먼 발치에서 알렉스가 지켜보고 있었습니다.
I was with my stepmother, Nina. We went shopping and spent the night at the Beverly Hills Hotel.
And of course, your stepmother can corroborate this.
Of course.
Thank you for tipping us off as to Sarah's whereabouts. Can you think of any reason that Sarah Ryan would want your stepfather dead?
When Sarah and I first met, we kissed and stuff. It was just, then she became obsessed.
Can you be a little more specific?
Well, she wanted to move in, which was fine because, you know, she didn't have a place to stay, but then she started acting like my wife or something, you know, asking my whereabouts, making sexual advances all the time. And she kept talking about Brooke and how, you know, she was responsible for losing her scholarship, and she was there when David and I got in a big fight. She was so mad at him, though. She did say that if Brooke and David were out of the way, that we could be happy and all of David's money would be ours. But it's all my fault. If I had just told her that David cut me out of his will, then maybe she wouldn't have killed him.
Why didn't you come forward with this after Brooke's death?
I guess I just did not want to believe that it was true, you know?
데이비드뿐만 아니라 푸르게 죽음도 세라에게 전부 뒤집어 씌우려는 알렉스. 세라는 대체 왜 거길 간 걸까?
What the fuck, Sarah?
I had to warn Nina. I couldn't see somebody else get hurt.
You should not have gone there.
I know, just hear me out, okay? I think that Alex and her stepmom Nina are trying to frame me.
You really think those two are actually capable of all that?
For $50 million, Eric, people are capable of doing anything. Especially Alex.
Excuse me. My name is Nina Layton. Sarah Ryan asked to see me.
알렉스와 니나가 처음부터 그 돈을 노리고 이 모든 작전을 짰다는 것. 그것을 이제서야 알게 되는 세라.
This wine is so good.
And we're in the cellar. I'll go get it.
그렇게 니나가 지하에 간 사이에 알렉스는 그녀의 휴대폰을 보는데
Did you see Sarah Ryan today? Why would you do that, Nina? Huh?
I had to see her to see if they have anything on us, which they don't.
And you didn't tell me?
You're worried about me? How do you think it makes me feel to see you drooling all over Sarah? That wasn't exactly part of our plan.
I'm acting, Nina. I'm a good actress. It's just a performance.
Yeah, so is me going to see Sarah.
Are you fucking me over?
Oh my God. Wow. You're really starting to get paranoid.
Don't tell me I'm paranoid. You're not the one who killed 2 people. I am.
No one ever said anything about you killing that Brooke girl. That was all you.
완전히 사이코패스 같던 알렉스. 하지만 그녀도 진짜 사랑하는 니나 앞에선 꼼짝을 못했습니다.
I'm sorry about that.
Sorry, I don't want to hide anything from you. We're in this together.
Luckily, I still had a little pull with the DA's office.
Thank you so much. You guys are amazing.
한편 세라는 그녀의 보증을 서는 법학과 교수의 도움으로 보석으로 풀려나고 알렉스는 니나에 대한 의심을 풀지 못하고 있었는데 그리고 그 의심이 진실이라는 걸 자신의 두 눈으로 똑똑히 확인하게 되는 알렉스.
It's Alex. Hello?
I need to talk to you.
So talk.
Not on the phone, okay? The Mulholland Overlook.
그렇게 다시 만나게 된 두 사람은
Why should I trust you?
You don't have to trust me. You can go with Nina, and you'll both end up in jail.
What's your plan?
We pin it all on Nina, and you and I walk away with the money.
If Nina's in jail, I don't get any money. David cut me out of the will. Our plan was to share it.
She's never gonna share it with you, Alex. She told me herself. But if you can convince her to sign over 50% of David's estate to you, then once she's out of the picture, that money's all yours. Except for the 10% that you give me.
But Nina'd have to die in order for me to get that.
I'll do it myself. To show you that we're even.
You didn't have it in you to kill anyone.
I would have said the same thing about you.
Sign over 50% of David's estate?
You still don't trust me, do you?
It would just be a gesture to show me that you weren't going to leave me. You, of all people, know how hard it's been for me. I mean, when I lost my mom, there wasn't any plan to make sure it was going to be okay. Please, Nina, it would just make me feel better.
Please.
결국 니나를 설득하는 데 성공하는 알렉스.
Now that everything's legal, do you have a little kiss for me?
그리고 그 사인이 끝나자마자 바로
What the hell is going on?
You betrayed me, Nina.
Listen, we can work this out. This isn't the answer.
I'm not falling for your shit anymore. Do you think that it was easy? With my bare hands? And David? Do you have any idea what that felt like? I just wanted him to pay for what he did to me and my mother. But you, Nina, you turned me into a killer.
Perfect.
이 모든 것은 역으로 니나와 세라가 짜놓은 작전이었습니다. 자신 스스로 모든 죄를 자백하게 된 꼴이 된 알렉스.
Alex Layton is going to be spending the rest of her life in prison.
Thank God.
And Nina gets immunity for testifying, right?
Yes, she does. You know, the only thing that's still confusing is why Alex picked you at the very beginning.
Maybe she picked me because I was a scholarship kid. She was counting on me to be desperate.
그렇다면 니나가 세라를 선택하게 된 이유는
Nina gets all that money?
Yeah, guess so.
모든 게 완벽해 보이는 결말. 하지만 이 이야기의 끝은 이게 아니었습니다.
I have to say goodbye. It's just for a little while. I just need some time to figure things out.
I mean, how long will that take?
I don't know. I need to go to my aunt's house in Topanga.
Why do I feel like I'm never going to see you again?
Where's Sarah? I haven't seen her in a while.
Yeah, she's taking some time off.
Oh, well, I miss her. She was always a lot of fun.
그리고 에릭이 알게 된 또 다른 진실.
She was always up to something, you know? Like, there was this one time she gave me $20 to hit on that crazy Alex chick. Alex was one cold bitch.
Wait, she did what?
She gave me $20 to hit on Alex Layton when she sat down at the bar. Weird, right?
이상함을 느낀 에릭은 가만히 있을 수 없었습니다. 토핑가에 있다던 세라 이모의 집을 찾아가는데
Hello?
아무런 반응이 없자 집 안으로 들어간 바로 그때.
Sorry, I knocked, but nobody answered. Are you Sarah's aunt?
Yeah. Who are you?
Eric Nolan. I'm a friend of Sarah's.
Oh, you're Eric.
Is this her?
Yeah, that's Sarah. She's cute, isn't she? That's her mom. That car was like her third child.
차가 셋째라면 딸이 하나가 아니라 둘이라는 뜻.
She had a sister.
Yeah, that's Sarah and her sister there at their high school graduation. Haven't heard from Janine in ages. You never know with those two.
Janine. She goes by Nina.
Yeah, half sisters. Same mom, different dad.
며칠 뒤 에릭에게 한 통의 이메일이 옵니다.
Eric, my aunt told me you stopped by. Today we're going to the last place our mom was alive. I only hope we found some peace for her. That's even possible. Thank you again for everything.
과연 세라는, 아니 세라와 니나는 무엇을 찾으려는 것일까? 엄마의 죽음에는 무엇이 숨겨져 있는가? 지금까지 전혀 유명하지 않은 영화였지만 개인적으로 이 정도면 진짜 충분히 재밌게 즐길 수 있는 영화라는 생각이 들었습니다. 꼭 영화를 직접 보시길 바라면서 저는 역시 영화는 스토리가 중요하다. 나름대로 앞뒤가 잘 짜여져 있는 영화다. 그런 생각이 들었던 너무 재밌게 감상한 영화 중독이었습니다.